What is Farkel? You play it with 6 dice. Here's a quick tip. Maybe you have a shoebox and use the lid to roll your dice in it. To play Farkel, you need 3 things. You need the set of 6 dice, something to write with, and a place to keep score.
Actually, you need 4, the score pad.
Oh, of course. It's a game where you keep score. Let's begin. Here's Bryson's first turn. So we see that he has 3 5s. That's great. That's a triple. And a 1 and a 2 and a 6. When you have 3 5s, that's worth 500 points. Anytime you roll a 1 or a 5, it's worth points. Now, his job is to take these points, set them aside. They can't be used again. And he has to decide, should I keep rolling and try to get a 1 or a 5, or end his turn? But here's the problem. If he rolls again and doesn't get any points with those last 2, then he loses all the points that he's earned, and his turn is over. Bryson, what are you going to do?
Roll again!
No, don't do it. Okay, go ahead. So he didn't get a 1 or a 5, so he lost all these points that he earned, and his first round goes down as a 0. On my turn, I have a set of 4 of something, and a 5 scores points, and a 6 does not score points. So all of these earn me points.
Roll again.
4 of a kind is a big one, that's 1,000. And my 5 earns me 50. Bryson wants me to roll again, but I'm going to stick with 1,050 points. It's Bryson's turn again. He has some 1s. Those are 100 each. He has a 5. That's 50. And he has 3 dice over here that don't score. He sets these aside. He can decide to roll these again and try to get some 1s and 5s, or one of these triples. Or he can take the points he has and walk away. He rolls again. The 5 earns him points. The 6 and the 2 do not earn any points. He can keep the 100, the 100, the 50, and the 50, and he can walk away. What should he do?
Walk away.
He's going to walk away with 200 points in this round.
300.
Nice try, Dad. He's going to walk away with 300 points in this round. My turn again. I have a 1 and a 1, a pair of 4s, a 2 and a 6. So the 1s earn me points. The 4, the 2, and the 6 don't earn any points. I think I can get something out of these, so I roll again. I get points for this, and this, and this. Now, does this count as 3 of a kind? Nope. These points are already done with. I can't include those in any other rolls. I get another 100 for this, 50, 50. So my total is 1, 2, 300, 350, 400. So in my first roll, I got 100, 200. And my next roll, I got 100, 150, 200. All together, I have 400 points on this round. I'm going to take that and walk away. If I decided to keep going and I rolled this and I didn't get any points, then I lose my 400. So let's say on my first roll, I got some 1s that score me points. And I got 1s and 5s on my next roll that scored me points. And I decide to take a big risk and I roll my last die. If I do that, my turn is over and I've lost all these points. But let's say I'm feeling really lucky and I roll that last die and I get points, okay? What I get to do then is count all those points and pick them all up and roll all 6 dice again. What I do then is I can take these points and add them on to the 450 I already have. Ooh, I almost missed this. I have triple 2s. That's going to be worth 200 points. So I have 200, 300, 350. That gives me 800 points to add on to my score. Should I roll that last dice again and risk my 800 points?
Yes.
So, when does the game end? Well, you keep taking turns and you play until you've reached a time of 10 minutes or 20 minutes, depending on how long you want to play. Or you could also play until you reach a certain point total. 3,000 points would be a short game. 10,000 points would be a long game. As you keep going, you can stop and get a total to see how close you are to finishing your point total.